Hi boys and girls, it's Shane at my Star Lab Airbnb. And we've just discovered we have a problem. Oh, that's not good, is it? Let's fix it. So furniture like this often feels disposable to people, and they won't take the time to fix it, and you'll just go spend $300 or something to buy a whole new set. But in reality, a lot of times, it's not a big deal. I'm missing one of these bolts, and the bolts have come out from wiggling. And I'm going to show you not only how to fix the bolt and get another one to replace it, but how to prevent this from coming out in the future. The first step, like many great journeys, involves going to a hardware store. Now this is one of the most amazing things that we are losing in America, which is the old corner hardware store. This isn't a Home Depot, this isn't a Lowe's. This is a totally different experience. And some of you will think, well, this is too little or it's too cramped, and I'll show you around. But watch how fast I can find the part that I need here. And I challenge any of you to go to another hardware store and be able to get it this quick. Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you, Shane?
Good. Very good. I need 2 of those, and I need some adhesive so the bolts don't come back out, some of the Loctite. It needs to be that thread. It's for a furniture repair. This is my favorite little hardware store. Watch how quick this is. He had no idea I was going to put him on the spot on a speed test here. 2.
2?
Yep.
Gotcha.
Perfect. And some Loctite for the threads.
Gotcha.
Awesome. I know it felt like there were cuts there, but I promise there were no cuts. It was just me switching the camera back and forth. So now I'm waiting on him to come up to the counter. Just that fast. There is no way that you could go through a Home Depot or a Lowe's and have those parts found that fast. Plus, literally everything else you might need. You want a radio flyer wagon? Look at that. You want a tricycle? You want, this is the only place I know of that sells snow shovels in town. I don't know. Hurricane lamps? Anything you could possibly need. All right. $6. We have a deal. Isn't that just a great experience? And there's almost nothing. You can't come into a place like this and ask and actually have an associate help you. Now, navigating the store, if you just walk around and look for something, that's almost, these stores aren't set up for you to just browse the aisles and buy as much as they're set up for you to go to the counter and say, this is what I need, and then get it. And I trust him enough, I didn't even bother to double check the threads to make sure he was correct. If I were at a Home Depot, I would definitely be double checking the employee's thread check, because there'd be almost no chance of them getting it right the first time. So to truly get to the bottom of this, I'm going to flip it upside down. It makes it much easier to work on a lot of things if you'll just look at them from the other side. So what we have here are threaded places for the bolts to screw into, and then there are holes right here for those bolts to go inside of. Before I put this together, I'm going to take a little bit of the thread locker, and we're going to put some of it on the threads right here. This will stop this from coming out when it vibrates. And just like that, we don't have to do the whole thing. Now I just have to feed this through the hole. So I'm going to go through the hole and then push this together and get it placed into the next hole. Let's actually start with the bottom one. We'll start right there. Now I can twist it by hand to get the thread started and make sure it's kind of lined up properly. Then I will take my screwdriver, have my handy dandy screwdriver here, and we will tighten it with this screwdriver. In this case, he gave me a Phillips screw. The original ones that were here were a Allen wrench bolt, but it doesn't matter. That's not important. That's just the tool you use to apply it. What matters is that the threads match. Let's do the next one. So we're going to take the bolt, put some of the thread locker on it, all the way around, just like that. And then we're going to tighten this into the hole. Sometimes you have to really work it to get the alignment just the way it needs to be. There we go. One of the most rewarding feelings is taking care of a project, doing something where you fix things. I know a lot of you feel really good when you go to the store and buy something, when you replace something. So Yeah, would it feel good if I went to the store and bought some new furniture? That feels great, yes. But I can tell you, if you've never felt the rewarding feeling of fixing something so you don't have to go buy something, and in fact, probably making this better than when I started, it's a great feeling, and I recommend it.